So, Kannadigas, you better know about the facts, okay? When you people say, hey, why you North Indians come over here then if you have so much of a problem? We are the one, we are giving work, you give us the respect of a language. You are not giving work. The work is given by the companies. And who has established those companies? We have established. We the North Indians have established the company. Name all the companies of India, okay? How many companies do you know that has been established and owned by Indians? Now I'll tell you which and all the companies are. Airtel, Jio, the phone network that you people are using right now. You people are using the internet. You people are seeing this Instagram, YouTube and everything is through an internet, right? And that is you are getting by phone providers. And who are the phone providers of this? The network providers. It's the Jio. It's the Jio, the one that is from all the way from north, right? The Ambani, the Hindi speaking and the Guju speaking person. Second, Airtel. Who is the owner and founder of Airtel? Mr. Mittal. All the way from Ludhiana, Punjab. So that's the power of North India. Now Flipkart, that online. Who is the owner of Flipkart? It's again the Sachin Bansal and Benny Bansal. And they are from New Delhi. Now, Ola, again, North Indian. Zomato, again, the owner is from North India. So food delivery if you want, the owner is by North India. If you want to travel on the cabs, the owner is from North India. If you want to do online delivery, online shopping, the Flipkart, that is by North India. The phone network that you're using, the two leading companies, Jio and Airtel, both are by North India. Now what is left? Now the IT companies, two leading IT companies. Only Infosys is one what you can proudly say that it is by our Karnataka. Apart from that, there is nothing. In that also, I think TCS, Tata, that tops again. It is even bigger than the Infosys, and you all know about this. So, now you will say that we are giving jobs. I think we have given you the companies, and we are the whole sole reason of contributing all the so far it has been developed, though it is not developed much, but because we are only 10% over there. It's just by the 10% of North Indian, Bangalore is like this. Otherwise it was one of the villages that you will ever find in the history of India. Do you know that? So be thankful to North Indians. One more thing, when there is a lot of traffic that goes around in Bangalore, you people says that traffic comes because of you North Indian people. You are all the creating. No, it is not we. It is your government who is not making the metro. You know how many metro stations do you have in your Bangalore? 66. If you combine all the metro stations of South India, from Kochi or Kerala, from Hyderabad, from Tamil Nadu, from Chennai, from Bangalore, even after adding them all, you will not be able to match the New Delhi metro, because we have 260 plus metro stations in Delhi. 260 plus metro station. There are 10 different lines that run, upper subway, over the top flyover also. So double cross flyover, which we call, you might not be knowing because there is no such construction that happens over there in Bangalore. Now what more you want to compete with? Now when it comes to road, we have NH24. NH24, do you know? It is the biggest lane road. Again, where it is? It is in New Delhi. The road runs from New Delhi to Meerut. Now fastest train, Namo Bharat. You know where it is? Again from New Delhi to Meerut. So what is there you have now? What is the thing that you people have that you can say proudly that this is by Kannadigas? Except bullying the ordinary, normal office-going people who have come all the way, leaving their house because company have given them the opportunity. Campus selection has happened. Your people have recruited them for our own company that we have established in Bangalore to work over there by giving the money, by giving the rent, by paying the taxes and everything. And then you people are saying that why you're staying here? Is that what you want to do, just to cover the things that you people are lacking in? Your government is not working. Fight with your government. Your government of Karnataka has fooled you and have brainwashed you so badly. And you people are sick. You people are absolutely sick because you people don't understand these politicians. They have nicely fooled you by just using one word, Kannadigas, we are Kannadigas, and you people are happy about it. Now they don't give you anything in your state. They fool you, they eat your all money. You give them taxes, they don't give you anything. You be happy with your Kannadiga. Kannadiga will give you everything to eat. Is that the language only that will give you everything to eat? Keep that language with you. Fuck off, man. You people are sick. You people are absolutely sick.